Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today uh, I am I am here with a new video regarding self improvement and to get fluency in English speaking. That's why I here to do more practice about English speaking. So I hope you are doing well and your family. Uh, I hope so your family is fine. So let's get started with our new topic. Uh, Today I have read a new book. The name of the book is The Miracle of Self-Discipline by Brian Tracy. I don't know about the author, but as far as I know about the book, it's quite good, good book and well deserving book. And let me give you some brief about the book Brain Tracy, the miracle of, I hope I am pronouncing well, the miracle of self discipline is a powerful book that focuses on how discipline is the key to success in every area of life, whether it is it actually it defines the discipline. If you want to be success in your life, whether it's career, health, relationship and personal goal, uh, discipline is must. Without discipline you uh, uh, cannot achieve your uh, growth or target what you want to be in your life. You cannot achieve without the discipline. So the this book tells about all this theory regarding discipline, and Tracy argues that while talent and intelligence matter, it's a discipline that determines whether you can achieve your goals or fall short. So basically, the author is trying to say that it doesn't matter if you are a talented person or not, if you are intelligent person or not. Everything depends on everything depends on uh, discipline, whether uh, 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 being to if you follow the discipline you can achieve your uh, goals. If you don't follow the uh, discipline, I think you would not achieve your goals. So here the structure summary of the book core areas ideas are: clarity of purpose. Define exactly what you want in your life. Discipline begin with the clear goals. Basically, the book tells about the clarity of your purpose. You need to be very clear about your purpose. What is your purpose? Yeah, what is your determination? What is your motto? Uh, Basically, it the book tells about the idea, the the thought, okay, which in your mind it should be very clear. Without a without a clear purpose or clear goal you cannot define the discipline. Suppose that you want to be a singer, but you have some doubt about in your mind whether I will be I will get the success or not. I am not sure about it. And to achieve this success, are you going to sacrifice your comfort? Uh, are you to come out of your comfort zone? It should be very clear. First of all, you need to determine your goal. After that, the efforts which needs to achieve your goal, or are you able to give your comfort. That refers to the clarity of purpose, right? So you I think, and discipline begins with clear goal. If you are well determined that I can achieve this goal. I have a dream that one day I want to be a artist, one day I want to be a CEO, one day I want to be a CFO. That idea should be very clear, and disciplines begins with this clear idea. Based on the your idea, you will follow the discipline, whether it is speaking, or whether it is reading, whether it is to improve yourself. Everything begins with your idea, and disciplines. You can use discipline to get success in your idea. Being a disciplined person, you can achieve anything in your life. If you don't follow the discipline, sometimes I will read, sometimes I will not read. And if there is any requirement that you need to get up early in the morning, and you don't it is the requirement to achieve your goal, and you don't want to get early in the morning. So so de- uh, so determine so discipline determines. If you want to achieve your goal, you need to be very determined person. So so in this book, you should be very you should clarity of your purpose, right? And acting despite feeling. Successful people don't wait for feel like it. They act when uh, they act even when it's uncomfortable. Basically, the author wants you to tell that the parameter of success, it not depends whether you are feeling comfortable or not. Being comfortable, you cannot achieve your life. Whether you want whether you want to do something or not. If you want to be a success person, it doesn't make any sense whether you are feeling well or not. If you if you if you if you if you determined, if you make up your mind that I will read 10 chapter a day to achieve my goal, it's so therefore it is your responsibility to read at least uh, 10 chapter in a whole day, whether you are feeling uh, well or not. If you have a fever, then you need to read. If you are have a, if you are to meet if you have any if you are having some kind of problem, then somehow you need to read that chapter. So uh, the main motto of the uh, quote is that uh, if you want to be a successful person, then it doesn't make any sense you are feeling well or not. You are you are in comfort zone or not. You need to follow the discipline. You need to follow the timetable which you have prepared to achieve your goal. So uh, everything depends upon the uh, your feeling. And second line is consistency over motivation. Discipline about habit and routines, not burst of inspiration. Uh, I think the authors the author is trying to say that being a motivational being a motivational person, you cannot achieve your goal, or or, or being a consistency or maintain a consistency, you can achieve your goal, whether it's a uh, tough goal, or it is a easy goal, whether whether you are going to achieve your goal or whether you are not going to achieve your goal. Everything depends upon consistency, not motivation. Motivations inspire you, but consistency makes you work. If something motivational makes you to work, okay, if you are feeling well, if you are motivated, then I will do it. If you are don't motivated, okay, let it go, I will not do it. But being a consistent person, whether you are feeling good, you are feeling well, whether you have any kind of urgency in your life, or whether you are not feeling well, it's a consistency, and you have to make that kind of consistency, right? So uh, a consistent person can achieve a goal in your life and within the time frame. A motivate person cannot achieve their goal. Maybe sometimes they can achieve, but a motivate person without a consistency or without a discipline cannot achieve. They will hear some when he listens some speech regarding the motivation, then he will then a person will say that okay, I am feeling I am feeling motivated, so I can achieve the goal. After working 2 or 3 hours on their goal, okay, I am not feeling motivational, so let it be go, and I will do it tomorrow. But our consistency makes it different. Consistency makes you working, right? So I think consistency will win over motivational person, where is to achieve, whether a person want to achieve their goal or not. So uh, you should not be a motivated person, you should be a disciplined and consistent person. If you want to achieve your goal in if you are if you want to achieve your goal in your life. And third outline is delayed gratification. Choosing long term reward over short term pleasure is the foundation of achievement. Okay, so I think by this code, the authors want the writer of this book is wants to say that a a person should always choose a long term reward over short term pleasure. If you want to be success in your life, you should always focus on long term strategy over short term pleasure. Suppose that if you want to set up a if you want to if you want to uh, imagine that a person who is not successful in his professional life, and he wants to establish a small or consistency business. Uh, so by business, if he wants to achieve his goal, what what he needs a long vision, strategic thinking, and he should choose a long term reward over short term. He needs to if he wants to stabilize a business, then he should be very much focused. He should be very much focused about his long term vision, like where will I get funding, what should be my what should be goal of my business, which kind of business he wants to do. Okay, so what kind of infrastructure he needs, if he wanted to establish a business. So these things are considered as a long term vision, not short term pleasure. So I think the long term vision is the foundation of achievement and response. And five point is responsibility. Own your actions and outcomes. Discipline thrives when excuses disappear. Just wait a minute.